For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngululeko Ngeo. I'm with Ubongani Umfokamnisi Ubobo, and I'm also with Ukhawukhelo as well. Thank you so much for joining us at Itiski TV. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing to our content, and commenting on our content as well. We have just passed 300,000 subscribers. We say thank you so much for helping us get to 300,000 subscribers. We really appreciate it. You are more than allowed to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to say about what we say. Of course, next week we'll come back, say another thing, and then the other week we'll come back, we say another thing because it's football and it's a game of opinions. Orlando Pirates played against St. Elo Lipopo in Africa, in DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. They lost 3-0. Now, a lot of Orlando Pirates fans are asking themselves, are we still in the CAF Champions League? Orlando Pirates lost in the preliminary rounds of the CAF Champions League against Tijuana Galaxy, and they came back last season. They went to the semifinals of the CAF Champions League. Now, they look on the brink of exiting the CAF Champions League again in the preliminary rounds. Now, if you want to be an African giant, just like Mamelodi Sundowns, Esperance Tunis, Al Ahly, most of the time, every year, we must always assume that we will find you in the semi-finals and the finals of the Champions League, like the Pyramids as well, that they've been trying, and they're getting themselves there consistently. We thought in South Africa, we have two African giants with what Pirates achieved last year. Is it now the end of the road for them in Africa? What does it mean for coach Abdeslam Ouaddou? What does it mean for Pirates fans as well? Later on in the video, we'll talk about Sundowns. Does Mamelodi Sundowns need to sacrifice domestic trophies for their pursuit of finally winning the CAF Champions League? Next year, in 2026, it will be 10 years since Sundowns won the CAF Champions League. Bobzit, warm welcome to you, sir. How are you doing?
No, I'm good, Nguleko. Itumbulise nokhawukhelo. Yeah, Nguleko. Ngikrende kakhulu futhi.
Yeah, we're watching Sibuka Malinki live. It was a tough day for South Africans this weekend. We're watching the Chiefs from a cell phone. You're watching the Parades from a cell phone. At least somehow your president found a way to persuade the Nigerians to give us a footage, and we were able to watch Sundowns on TV. At least that was the one game that was available. Fortunately, as we go to our group stages, our club way to Abo Stellenbosch, Abo Chiefs, we know that normally the group stages will have TV rights. Let's go straight to Orlando Pirates. That was tough for them. 3-0. We can't talk about the tactics of the game because we couldn't see the game itself. But number one, Abdeslam Ouaddou. This is interesting. When we went to Ibreak International, Abdeslam Ouaddou was positive in a sense that he qualified for the next round of Ikaling. On the other side, it was negative with Chiefs, it was negative with Sundowns because they were knocked out of Ikaling knockout. Siabuya we break international, Abdeslam Ouaddou is going to be very depressed about what happened. And then on the other side, Sundowns is here as well. So a lot of things can change in football within 7 days, within 10 days. What do you think is happening now in the management of Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, Nguleko ngicabanga ukuthi masingathi sibheka iOrlando Pirates njengamanje uma ngabe sikhuluma ngemanagement eOrlando Pirates ukuthi into abayicabangayo manje ngeteam ukuthi ucoach Ouaddou uma abufika eOrlando Pirates yini into bekade expectile from coach Ouaddou since sibonile Orlando Pirates last season they played very well bazobayifika kuma semi-final whereby babe eliminated kuma semi-finals. I think they did very well. So umbuzo ukuthi imanagement eOrlando Pirates uma imlanda yini beyidinga kucoach Ouaddou. Mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi since Orlando Pirates befika kuma semi-finals last season ngale squad ebekade naso ku reinforce lesa squad seOrlando Pirates bamnikeza i-depth kusho something ukuthi no, we want to win CAF Champions League. Remember Orlando Pirates it's a big team. Orlando Pirates i-team ebekade lapho CAF Champions League before they won CAF Champions League ngabo 1995 if I'm not mistaken. So into engayisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates management ba ready yini ukumnikeza leyo support yini kucoach Ouaddou since sibona lento yenzeke eDRC because asibonanga nama tactics nokuthi kwenzakalani maybe ngendlela ngicabanga ngakhona kuse DRC lapha Nguleko ukuthi sometimes i-pitch ayikho right ezinye zezinto uzongamnikeza benefit of the doubt ukuthi okay maybe kadlala away, let's wait and see la ekhaya ukuthi what will happen uma iOrlando Pirates idlale
Orlando Pirates ka-2025 is unfortunately fighting against the Orlando Pirates ka-2024. What that means is that whatever this current Pirates does,
Yeah.
on top of that, njengoba ukhuluma ngama-upgrades, abomuremi, reinforcements, abomuremi, abo-police, abombule, though this Pirates team is fighting against the achievements of the previous Pirates. Whatever happens here now, Pirates fans will be very confused. We sound like we're saying they are already out of the Champions League.
Yeah.
They are not out of the Champions League, but it's going to be a mountain to climb for them to come back. Of course, Orlando Stadium is the best home ground in this country because it's the worst ground for visiting teams. They can't play, they can't hear themselves think and talk. So that's going to be a factor as well. But 3-0, do you think there's a door back in this game?
Nkululeko, I think so. Football ingifundise something mina. Anything can happen ku football. Unga write team we write off mhlambe nge previous score sibonile mhlambe ku first league. But into engakutshela yona iOrlando Stadium ngesinye stadium as usho Nkululeko. If uvela mhlambe ngebhara or uvela ngapha ngabo DK uvela ngapha nithi uma ungena nje lapha Orlando you could feel ukuthi manje stadium Nkululeko ngifuna ukuba honest
It's the worst stadium for away teams.
Yeah, ngifuna ukutshela
for away teams, they
for
can't
away
think,
teams.
they can't, I don't know, something is happening there.
Yeah, so-
mhlawumbe nalama chemical ayasipana ngawo.
lento ayisebenzi ukuthusela
Bathi
kuphela
babambile i-chemical engineer ukuthi ingadonsi izinto zayo. Ingasebenza
Nkululeko,
e-DRC.
if lento
Mhlawumbe
beyisebenza,
yiyo futhi.
if ngabe beyisebenza mhlawumbe le 8 times in a row Sundowns ngabe lapha Orlando Pirates
good
yabo.
point. That's a
Yeah,
good
so
point.
lento ukuthusela sometimes kwamanye ama team. So yeah, mina Nkululeko ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngibona iKilimanjaro Nkululeko
Yeah, it's a mountain to
ukuthi
climb.
bayigibele but ngendlela ngibona ngakhona the fighting spirits Orlando Pirates if they want to win. Remember Orlando Pirates uma bafuna ukuwin igame it's 0-0. Most of the time bakhona win igame nge last minute. Mhlawumbe nge additional time ye 90 minutes or ye first half. Kusho kona ukuthi bana fighting spirit. Mara into ezobanceda for Orlando Pirates I think ukuthola early goal Nkululeko. As I've said yesterday ukuthi let them get the early goal so that we don't concede. Ngiyacabanga lokho kuzoyinceda Orlando Pirates because if ingaya ku half time it's 1-0 or 2-0 already le team Nkululeko angeke angiboni ukuthi ingakhona uvimbe Orlando Pirates ku second half. Le pressure izobe iza Orlando Pirates as long as I defense Orlando Pirates izoba right ukuthi no banga concede Nkululeko ba make sure ukuthi we don't concede if we want to win this game. But conceding Orlando Pirates ukuluza kwabo because away goal ya add the Pirates manje say got over 5 goals. We understand it's not easy
If Limpopo ikora 1, Pirates is going to need to score 5.
To score 5, you understand. So for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi if Orlando Pirates ingaqala ukuplana ngedefense yabo kuqala ukuthi guys we don't concede then we go all out we score early goal. Ngiyacabanga lokho kuzoyinceda angeke ngiright of Orlando Pirates. This is football Nkululeko, anything can happen. Bangayishala ya team 5-0 uma ngale iOrlando ibuyishala ya team 5-0 sisibuza ukuthi kanjani. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sane chance Orlando Pirates. Yes, it's 50-50.
I don't think it's 50-50 realistically.
Yeah.
Ngoba iLimpopo yona iLimpopo from its side,
Yeah.
they've taken 70% of the game.
Okay, yes, yeah.
That's why ngithi nakutsobe ngithi umnyango nje uvulekile. That means you have a small entrance ukuthi maybe 20% you can come in. Pirates is out until they prove us wrong. I think that's a much better or a matured way of looking at it. In South Africa, you say all of that. That's good because the team has lost, right? Now it's up to those men who get paid at Orlando Pirates to come back because they lost. Like it's not 2-0, it's not 1-0.
Yeah.
You lost 3-0. That means when you are at Orlando, you must score 4 to win outright.
Yeah.
Because if it's 3-0, you go to penalties. Now in penalties, they still have a 50-50 chance iLimpopo to win. So of course, I can't write Pirates off. As we mentioned, obviously, about Orlando Stadium and the good players that they have. But I think that there's 70% out.
Kona uqinisile Nkululeko 70% yeLimpopo because bona bakhuluma ngento abanayo.
Yeah, they already have 3 goals.
Bane 3 goals abanayo. Into bengiyikhulumela kakhulu Orlando Pirates hile ya support ukuthi uma banga attenda le game my Pirates yangathola
No, they're gonna kuzogcwala Orlando.
kuzoba packed. I'm telling you.
Yes, it's gonna be packed.
Once Pirates yakora early Nkululeko kuzo-change everything. I'm telling you their team izodlala under pressure. But if Pirates ingeke ikore early goal and ivume leya team iscore before Orlando Pirates score, I think yobaphelile ngo-Orlando Pirates ngendlela ngibona ngakhona.
Yeah.
So kona kuphezu kwabo no coach wabo the technical team ukuthi bayiprepare kanjani leya game. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi if bekungilesa sikhathi mhlawumbe mina bengicabanga mangabe bakhona bomthunzi launch leBonel Spray bangabatholela indawo bakhempe khona sibanikeze ikhona ibhasi ready balibiza iThilisi yabona batravel ngalo beze eOrlando ngiyacabanga bekungaba right
Bapositive ngoPop ne-Orals.
yeah ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekungaba right at least kube na something phela nabo
No,
lama
but
stars
we have too
lama
many
stars abanawo.
five-star hotels.
Mara lama stars abanawo bona la eAfrica amanye ama team ungabheka abatholanga ngendlela Nkululeko abanye bebalala emahotela la khona kuba nembuzi next to your so ngiya-understand izinto zichangeile but kuningi ekumele iPirates ikwenze but ngitrust i-support ye-Orlando Pirates ukuba khona kwayo I think la machita kumele bathole lesa stadium Nkululeko si-packed babanikeze lento mhlawumbe nabo bebakade banikeze Orlando
Right,
Pirates
let's close it.
Yeah.
Assuming that Pirates are knocked out. Now, we're not making any bad assumptions that they are already 3-0 down.
yeah
Assuming that they get knocked out, what are the consequences, do you think, for the players and for the coaches? We'll go back now to what we started at. What do they want from Coach Wadu? I think, and I will repeat this, Pirates are fighting against the expectations of last season.
Yeah.
Imsizile MTN 8 umqeqeshi.
Yeah.
Imsizile kakhulu. It will go a long way in giving him that faith from abalandeli ukuthi okay, let's keep him. But if Pirates wanted to come back as African giants, njengoba iSundowns ehlonishwa iAfrika yonke, and we were happy to have two teams in Africa, see South Africa. If they get out of this, what happens to the coach?
Yeah, Nkululeko. Ucoach ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzoba njengoba sikubona kumanje ngendlela ngibona ngakhona because kumele sibheke ukuthi iOrlando Pirates kwamanje ucoach Wadu uwine lento kade iOrlando Pirates bekade iwina. Then uma ngadropa kule CAF Champions League uzobahlulekile afailile nabadlali bazoba bafailile Orlando Pirates because ubele ubheke ukuthi idlale iCAF Champions League semi-final last season ba reinforce lesa squad then now Orlando Pirates ayifiki kule ya semi-final bekade idlalile
with a better squad.
With a better squad kusho kona ukuthi ungabe uhlulekile but angeke ukuthi mhlawumbe umsebenzi waka coach ungaba sengozini because bheke i-record la ka coach iCV yakhe ukuthi njani ucoach simazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ubuya kuyowina ama CAF Champions League na or uthole Orlando Pirates win CAF Champions League so that sizoba harsh ukuthi no akayiwina otherwise manga win le CAF Champions League kusho kona ukuthi no umsebenzi wakhe mina ngicabanga ukuthi usase safe kumsebenzi wakhe ucoach Wadu
If Pirates had hired coach Urulane,
yeah
as we were speculating at the beginning,
Yeah.
no coach Pitso, and then Bapuma Manje with Champions League, do you not think that they would be fired?
I don't think so Nkululeko yazi la ku football sometimes kumele ubheke ukuthi i-planning yakho ikuphi icala phi yaphi uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uplan mhlawumbe ku3 season njengoba sibona even if a coach angayiwini lento ungamnikeza second chance because khumbule ukuthi kuningi sakumele akuhlanganise uyaqala kwenza ama traveling maybe alama CAF Champions League afana nalawa so kumele umnikeze leyo doubt ukuthi no ithi simnikeze chance simbona as long as awina lento bekade Orlando Pirates iwina ngiyacabanga uzoba safe coach Wadu Orlando Pirates.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Bob Zid. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. We watched that game yesterday. I want you to go and watch Ubobo no Shane in their video because it was a very entertaining video. They have a very good chemistry on camera. And at some point, they start talking about something very interesting. They talk about Ushane is giving Ubobo this angle of saying, what if, in order for you as Sundowns to get the second star, the Champions League, you're going to have to sacrifice something else at home? Ubobo yabuya uthi, we've already sacrificed the Kalin. Shane is trying to get to a point where he's trying to say, give the league to someone else, focus on the Champions League because it looks like that's the thing that you really want. Mamelodi Sundowns were knocked out in the final, or they lost in the final of the CAF Champions League. The last time they won the CAF Champions League was in 2016. By the end of the current season, it will be 10 years since Mamelodi Sundowns won the CAF Champions League. It's the thing they desperately want. It's a thing that they should have got at some point under Coach Ulane Mokoena, but they were so unlucky to be knocked out. I suppose they were very lucky to get to the final in this last season, if you watched match on match. Now then, my conversation will continue with Ubobzid regarding one of the things you also spoke about there was a mandate.
Yeah.
A mandate Kamqeqeshi in your video with Shane was that he has to win a Champions League. Yeah. Now let's go back to this conversation, Yoguti. Do you believe you have to sacrifice anything for a Champions League? Njengoba nizama niloko nizama, do you believe you have to do something different? Do you believe Uguti there is taking your eye on one side, keeping your eye on one side? Is there anything different you must do to get the second star?
Kulego, the investment in Sundowns, I don't think ukuthi ungasacrifice everything. Maybe amanye ama-trophy especially esikhuluma ngalama-trophy mhlawumbe abo-Nedbank Carling yes MTN 8 because you play amagame amancane Yes ne Champions League but sibhekele traveling ukuze sithi ama game maningi ku Champions League is a traveling and it's a big fish I Champions League.
Yeah.
Ukuze udlala CAF Champions League umele wazi ukuthi it's because of kumele uwine I league la ekhaya. Ube khona ku position 1 ku league so that usafe ukuthi uzoyidlala next season but ukuthi ngase I team ngasacrifice I league nge Champions League I think lezi zinto cishe ziyafana that is why zonke sinama league phakathi it's a CAF Champions League and in a league so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns uma ngabe I sacrifice lama trophy afana nalawa if mhlambi yaba disturb kule planning yabo but the squad Sundowns expect ukuthi inaso this season iyafana nje nalama season esibuya kiyo kudinga nje kuphela ukuthi the preparation ukuthi already kangakanani so mina impendulo yami engakunikeza yona ungasacrifice kwamanye inkuleko but for I league ne Champions League I think lezi zinto ezu2 kumele ukuthi uzame ukuthi uzwine because the
uyasazi bese ngabantu besindu mase
yeah
we are people
yeah
singabantu
I know
sometimes kumele ugwaze imbuzi do you get me
yeah ngiyakuthola
ukuze ufune lento ifunayo
Yeah.
ufumane lento ifunayo
yeah
nokuhlaba inkomo
yeah
yabo eBhayibhelini ngamaxesha eBhayibheli ngathi sometimes ufuna ukubulala umntana wakho yabo uzofumana lento ifunayo
not everyone
ubulala umntana wakho that's a very extreme
Yeah.
of course but I'm saying that because
Yeah,
lento yokuthi usacrifice abo colleague nabo MTN
Yeah.
into okade uyenza every year
Yes.
every year unokuba sacrifice because I remember Coach Pitso he used to be like looking at us as ama journalists ukuthi why ningibuza nge MTN 8
Yeah.
mina ngi African champion like I just lost to Cape Town City but who cares about that
Yeah.
but then benina ke abalandeli be Sundowns nimngenele ukuthi no we want those things
Kuleko.
so we are singabantu we have to make sacrifices
Nkuleko if you are big ungawini into ewinana noma ngabe ngibani I'm not saying asibalekanga but sibonile baroka ike yawina Telkom knockout sibonile abo TS Galaxy bake bawina
Nedbank Cup.
you understand sibona abo Magesi bawina iKhaling so uma ngabe Nkuleko umdala ungawini noma ngabe ngibani ungawini noma ngabe yini mhlambe engathi wina noma ngabe ngibani kule
that's why ngithi sacrifice your son intwana yakho iBetway Premiership you've won it 8 times in a row mara isacrifice yakho wona kumele ushaye ngetiming ngoba uyafuna ukubuyela ku-Champions League next year angeke you can't be out of because to get into the Champions League this is the other thing as well to get into the Champions League you need to be number 1 or number 2 in South Africa so whatever sacrifice you are making don't get out of the top 2
sidlala kuma competition awu5 it's Carling Nedbank MTN 8 I-league I-CAF Champions League so uma ngabe sacrifice the 3
already laba awubathanda abantwana these 3 you already don't like
No,
those
ngiyabathanda,
shit.
but angikwazi,
I'm a stepchildren bakho so you don't want to sacrifice your own son lo omwine ka 8 ngokulandelelana
Okay.
which is history
nali iqiniso Nkuleko asithathe ukuthi this season Sundowns isacrificeile for I-league even though isengakapheli but ubani ufuna ukuyithatha akekho
that's a good point
isacrificeile because manje mawungabheka
Other
Sundowns
teams-
idropile
other teams are not
ukudropa
getting
kwayo Sundowns which means iyasacrifice ukuthi okay izani izothatha I-league bakho ukhona yini ophakamisa isandla athi no ngiyayifuna le league so far because Sundowns
izamile
sikhuluma kanje.
isikhukhune for 3 weeks
We understand.
yangathi yasondele Chiefs
Phela
for 2 weeks
ukusacrifice kwe-Sundowns ukuthi ingawawini lama game ijwayele ukuwawina last season idropile ama-point this season ukusacrifice lo but uma ngabe izoyodlala i-CAF Champions League while abantu abafuna ukuyithatha lento esacrifice kuyo ayibuye izosithathela yona because kuzoba kungaboni silinde mhlawumbe abadlala amagame alingane namanye ama-team because remember abanye basadlala amagame amancane so nako lokho kuyacounta ukuthi uma ngabe ayawina bazokhona yini kufika la i-Sundowns ikhona but mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-team efana ne-Sundowns Nkuleko idinga yona i-CAF Champions League kuna wonke ama-trophy right now.
Yeah, you were talking with Ushane about mandate kamqeqesho. Now we were surprised yesterday with Remo Stars. Of course, I know the Nigerian league is not that great because they lose all of their best players to go to Europe, and it's understandable because the league doesn't really pay much and all of that. So all of their best, most of it was African leagues, Ivory Coast, Ghana. Ghana, okay, they still have Hearts of Oak and Asante Katoko, some of those big teams, but they're not that great in terms of the African level, the CAF Champions League level. But what we saw from Sundowns yesterday was a very good style of play. And in terms of the domination of the play, Abo Miguel Rachinho, Nuno Santos, good goal from U Matthews as well, outside the box with the left foot, you know. And we were so happy that you're like, oh, okay, this is different. Ngoba mawula ekhaya, Cardoso, you struggle. I don't know what's happening, whether there's something happening in Loftus or Epitori, Moripe, maybe you don't like that vibe. I don't know. I was trying to find the answers as well. We saw that. But let's go back to the thing, your mandate. You believe ukuthi umqeqeshi uyazi ukuthi Darko Blue, he has to come back with the Champions League.
Definitely Shonkule kuyakwazi lokho ucashelwe kona. Remember ukuthi ilomqeqeshi oshaya Sundowns kuleya season.
Semi-final.
Away semi-final.
Yeah.
So when they hire Coach Cardoso, into engibhekile ukuthi bebamdingela CAF Champions League because league they know ukuthi into elula ukuthi ucoach ofika ku-Sundowns kube lula kuyiwina because 8 times in a row, we understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye uawe ngalento le nkuleko ukuthi CAF Champions League hinto mhlambe kudinga ukuthi ayiwine kuMamelodi Sundowns. Failing to win CAF Champions League uzobuhlulekile kuMamelodi Sundowns as a coach. Yeah.
You'd believe to maintain the same level this season as we wrap up our conversation would be for him to go back to the final. At least go back. Njengoba sikhuluma ngePirates ukuthi not going to the semi-final is a failure. For me, I'm not going to be kind with that because we were happy with the Pirates going to semi-finals. I will be heartbroken if they don't go back at least a semi-final. Maintain the standards of Sundowns, the minimum would be for him to go back to a final. Cardoso.
Kumele adlale final and ayiwine nkuleko. Into engayisho. Kumele adlale final ayiwine nkuleko.
You're making no sacrifices.
No, into engakutshela yona ukuthi uyidlalile final uhlulekile. Kumele rectify ama mistake awenzile last season. Manje kumele ayiwine. Angicabanga ukuthi angaya kuma finals kayi2.
And kuzobe yesithathu futhi.
Yeah, for Sundowns for i-team e1 uye twice.
Esperance he went there as well.
And it was easy last season because udla ama finalist Al Ahly beyidlala ifinal neEsperance kuleya season leya. But ukhonile ukudlula kuma semi-final nakuma quarter final kuleya team oyidlala ifinal, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi into angayenza ukuthi afike final and ayiwini Sundowns ithole leya second star. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoba ihero kuMamelodi Sundowns.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bobzit. Wonderful conversation. We would like you to let us know what you think about the conversation. On top of that, without commenting on our conversation, what do you think about Orlando Pirates' chances? Do you believe that they are in the door? Do you think it's 50-50, 70-30? Do you think they are 100% out or 100% in? Whatever you think, it's your right. It's a game of opinion. Please let us know as well. With Mamelodi Sundowns, do you think they're going to sacrifice the league and win the Champions League? Or do you think they're going to continue as normal and they won't win the second star? Maybe another team from South Africa will win the star before Sundowns wins the second star. Let us know what you think on the comment section. Thank you so much for always liking our content, always subscribing to our content as well. Thank you for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.